Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd give y'all one more video. I'm getting ready to start working on this 64 C10, but I have not done a video of me making a pass with it or a pull to see how it runs with this this 402. It's in there now. I'm going to be pulling it out and doing a cam swap and a head swap. So I'm going to take it down the road and get y'all some video of how it runs now and how it runs when I get done with it. The upgrades I'm doing are for the NoName Nationals in September 30th, October 1st. Just trying to get a little more power out of it, and before we go to that race. I'm not sure yet who I'm going to call out. I got a couple people in mind, but I'm waiting on some other things to come up so I can see what's going on with those guys. But anyway, here we go. Yep, gonna fire it up. I started it up a while ago. Gonna get this thing going. We're gonna go make a pass with it, about a, I don't know, 1/8 mile, 1/4 mile, just ever how far we want to go. I believe it is a little low in transmission fluid. I put 1 quart in it. This thing leaks some, or a lot, or enough. But anyway, it'll pull right now, and we'll see what it'll do. It does okay. It's got 308 gears in it. I am going to be changing those out, putting some 373s and a bigger torque converter. I think it's got a 2200 to 2400 torque converter in it now. But we'll get this thing fired up, head down the road, see what we can do with it. Let's hit the old ZZ top key. And that oil pressure, it's like a tachometer. That's a Comp Cam's 268 Extreme. It sounds great. It's got decent power, but it just, I'm not happy with it. So let me get this hooked. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, the brakes need a little work too. Have to pump them to get any pressure built up, but that ain't good. I'm gonna hit the Mustang. Watch where I'm going. We'll head down here on this long country road. I don't know if it's got enough transmission fluid in it to do a burnout, but hell, we may try. Shirts and stuff. I'm gonna set a couple cameras up and get a couple oh, here's a road here. Get right here on this little road right there. We'll set up a couple cameras and we'll get a view. We're gonna go old school. Put a little water down because this is a shitty road and this truck ain't got a lot of power. Pump the brakes, get her to stop. Grab this other camera.